This is an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj. Subject Computer, Class 4th. Topic Checking spelling and grammar and using thesaurus option in Writer.
Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn how to check spelling and grammar in LibreOffice Writer. While word processing a document, we might commit spelling mistakes. In such cases, the writer helps us to check the spelling, to correct it, and it also provides us the grammar checker to correct the grammar of the sentence.
Now we will see how we can check spelling and grammar. If any grammatical error are predicted, they are underlined by a green wavy line. Automatic spell checker checks each word as it is typed and displays a wavy red line under any unrecognized word. As you can see here, this word, which should have been the word documentation, it is mistyped here, and therefore it is underlined with a red wavy line. We can also click on right click and check the alternatives available. Or to check the spelling and grammar of the document, select Tools, then select Spelling, or click F7 key. This is the shortcut key for checking spelling. Or click the Spelling and Grammar button on the standard toolbar. The Spelling and Grammar dialog box opens. You can choose to start from the beginning of the document till when the check reaches the end of the document. You can correct the spellings by choosing the alternatives available and then clicking on Correct. After correcting all the spellings, click on Close. Now let us see synonyms and thesaurus. We will study how to use these options. Thesaurus option helps to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms. Sometimes you search for a word having a similar meaning to the word you have in mind. A word processor helps to look up synonyms that are different words with same meaning, and antonyms that are words with opposite meaning in the thesaurus. The list of synonyms can be accessed by going to Tools. Now we'll see the synonym of this word attractive. So for that, we first have to select the word, then click on the Tools menu. This drop down list will open. From here you can select thesaurus, or we also have this shortcut key available, Ctrl plus F7, to open the synonym list. So we have this dialog box opening after we click on the thesaurus option. From this dialog box you can see the a number of synonyms are present here. We will select one synonym. Here I am selecting captivating, and then click on replace to apply that. So captivating word has been applied. As you can see here. Thank you. Now practice how to check spelling and grammar and how to use thesaurus.